welcome back to my channel, and today I have quite a fun video for you guys. So initially I was gonna try to go natural, but I don't know, things changed I guess. But I hope you guys like this semi glam, like soft pinkish eye look. I worked really hard on it. If you guys enjoy, and if you want to know how to do this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, let's get to it now. So I already washed my face, so that's basically what I do in the beginning of the day, because it's part of my morning routine. I washed my face today with the Clean & Clear morning burst. I wash my face, very simple. I don't really do much in the morning. So my face is all hydrated, and then I also put some lotion on my face, because even though the morning burst like cleans my face and like it feels refreshed, my face still gets pretty dry from it because it's so delicate. So I just put some lotion on. That's it. First thing I start off with is by putting my hair back first, because my hair's in my face right now and I need to like put it back. We're all good. So I start off with the Professional Pore Primer. I have a mirror right here, so if I'm looking that way, I'm sorry. I've never done a makeup tutorial. I'm so bad. Like I'm not a makeup guru. I just put it on my face. Looks bad. Foundation I use, I'm shaking it if you wanna know, is NARS Infinitude. I like NARS because it gives you like a decent amount of product that lasts me forever. Okay, so I'm not a guru and I don't care if you guys yell at me for this, but I'm just too damn lazy to dampen my beauty blender, and my cousin yells at me for it, but I don't care. I usually do 3 pumps. Okay, so I haven't put makeup on in so long, so I look kind of weird right now, but you know, I don't care. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is, after my foundation, use the NARS Medium 1.5. So it's like a soft matte complete concealer. So I'm going to use that because I get really oily under my eyes. So my mom always says I look like I'm trying to join an Indian tribe. I'm not trying to be racist or anything. She just makes fun of me because I look kind of ridiculous when I do this part, but as you can see, it blends in really well, because I don't really like really bright under eyes. I kind of just like it somewhat natural, and then I just make a freaking T-zone thing. I don't know. I always feel weird after like first. I use a smaller beauty blender for this. I need you right now. So now I'm gonna just bake. And the bake I use is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So I'm just gonna bake under my eyes and my concealer. Next, I am going to be doing my eyebrows. But the eyebrows, so sometimes I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I sometimes use that, but if I want to make it quicker, I usually use same brand, just dip brow in dark brown. So the palette I am going to be going into first is the Soft Glam from Anastasia, into Tempera. I'm going to use Orange Soda in the crease. So I'm gonna take from the Aria Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna be that one. Don't let me down, don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down. I'm gonna do the rose pink right here. Kinda maroon reddish color. Back in my crease so I can like blend it. Next step we're gonna do is eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that right now. I use the MAC 210 brush with Iglot, I think that's how you say it. Eyeliner. Eyeliner is done. The next thing we're gonna do is my mascara. Oh yeah, and by the way, the mascara I'm using is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. So that is the look. I'm gonna be using is Hoola bronzer from Benefit. It looks like this. Yeah. I'm gonna use this brush again for my blush. It's from Tarte. It's Party. Highlight in my Glow Sugar Kit from Anastasia Berry Hill. I'm gonna use Butterscotch. Nose, eyebrows. I do this. So I'm using Milani matte lipstick in 69.